Good afternoon. This is our presentation about harmful effects on social media. There are several harmful effects of social media that one should be aware of. One of the main concerns is its impact of mental health. Excessive use of social media can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. It can also contribute to a decrease in real-life social interaction and a sense of isolation. Cyberbullying is another significant issue that can occur on social media platforms, causing emotional distress and even leading to self-harm or suicide in extreme cases. Moreover, the constant exposure of unrealistic idealized portrayals for others' lives on social media can create feelings of inadequacy and dissatisfaction with one's own life. It is important to maintain a healthy, balanced, and mindful approach when using social media.
Mental health issues. Mental health issues, excessive use of social media can lead to anxiety, depression, loneliness, and low esteem, especially among younger users who may compare themselves to others and feel inadequate.
Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a social media platforms can be used as a tool for bullying, which can have serious emotional consequences for victims.
Third is addiction. Addiction is social media can be addictive, leading to compulsive use and a negative impact on productivity and real-life relationships.
Fourth is privacy concerns. Privacy concerns social media often involve sharing personal information which can be exploited by malicious actors for identify thief or other harmful purposes.
Fifth is distraction. Distraction is spending too much time on social media can distract people from important tasks and reduce their ability to focus.
Last but not the least is fake news and misinformation. Fake news and misinformation, social media can spread false information quickly, leading to confusion and polarization.
Seventh is negative body image. It's really important to remember that everybody is human. No one wakes up every day looking like a supermodel, and while many people have gone to great lengths to train their bodies, that's not the case for everyone who looks fit. Many people in search of social media fame have definitely taken unhealthy roads to appear more attractive. Surround yourself with people who love you for who you are, and you won't have to stress about fake Instagram beauty.
Negative body image into nobody's surprise. Body image is now an issue for almost everyone. Of course, seeing so many people who are supposedly perfect
according to society standards. On a daily basis makes you conscious of how different you look from those pictures, and not everyone comes to healthy conclusions in this situation.
Eight is an realistic expectation. As most people are probably aware, social media forms unrealistic expectations of life and friendship in our mind.
Most social media sites have a severe lack of online authenticity. People use Snapchat to share their exciting adventures, post about how much they love their significant other on Facebook, and load up on their Instagram page will heavily stage photos.
Most social media sites have a severe lack of online anxiety. People use Snapchat to share their experience, adventures, post about how much they love their significant other on Facebook, and load up their Instagram page with heavily staged photos. But in reality, you have no way of knowing whether this is all a farce. While it looks great on the surface, that person could be in a massive deep on bad terms with their significant other, or desperate for Instagram likes as a form of validation.
So, it's important to use social media mindfully and moderation to avoid these negative effects.